Let me clear something up for you. AI won't replace your job. Nope. It won't even replace your business. But you know what will? Another person who knows how to use AI. Let that sink in, because this shift is already happening. While you're hesitating on learning how AI works, your competition, your competitor, just built an email marketing system that follows up 24/7. Their chatbot just closed a lead while they were at brunch. Their CRM just sent 5 text messages before your team even opens their laptops. And you? Well, you're still stuck trying to figure out what to post on Instagram. It's not that you're lazy. Nope. It's not even that you're crazy, which that's a whole other discussion. But see, you're just too busy doing things that AI could already automate. I call this the manual mindset trap, MMT for short. It's when smart, talented entrepreneurs believe hustle will save them. Da-da-da-da. It's when, in reality, efficiency is the new age. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. With AI as your business partner, you have that ability. You don't need to become a coder. You just need to know how to delegate tasks to AI the same way you'd hire a team. Let me break this down for you. What's the real cost of ignoring AI? Because there is a cost. I'll give it to you. Number 1, lost leads from slow follow-up. It's a real thing. Number 2, having you or your team burned out, trying to do everything manually, or better yet, trying to do everything yourself. And number 3, customers choosing your competitor simply because they're able to deliver faster, smoother, and smarter. And most of all, you ultimately end up falling behind while thinking you're staying busy. It's an endless cycle. That's why we created Ignite Business Software. It's a done-for-you AI system. With this software, I've helped entrepreneurs install simple AI tools that automate lead nurture, book appointments, score and qualify leads, trigger follow-ups without them even having to lift a finger. You don't need to figure this out alone. I've already built the system. All you have to do is just plug right in. One of my clients used to manually confirm every appointment. She was spending 8 to 10 hours a week just messaging leads. After we installed an AI assistant into her business using Ignite Business Software, she cut her work week down to 2 days. And her close rate, well, that doubled. That's not just a fluke. That's what happens when you let automation handle what's repeatable and you focus on what's irresistible. Better yet, you focus on what's irreplaceable. Listen, AI doesn't have your personality, and it never will. It can't replace your vision, it can't replace your values, and ultimately, it can't replace your voice. That's right. The 3 V's: vision, values, voice. AI will never be able to replace that. But it can replicate your best work at scale. See, the businesses that win won't be the biggest, not in this day and age. They'll be the ones that know how to combine strategy plus automation, sprinkled in with heart. And you're not too late, but you are kind of cutting it close. The countdown is quickly upon us. If you're ready to stay ahead instead of falling behind, let's talk. Book a discovery call with me. In 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly where AI fits into your business to save time, close more deals, get more leads, and increase your revenue without overwhelming you or your team. The future isn't coming. The future is here, now. Let's make sure you're the one replacing your competitors, not the other way around.